Every morning the sun comes up and electricity falls from the sky. I think that's pretty cool. I actually was unsure if we would have enough electricity for things like a coffee grinder, so I was actually looking into a manual powered one. I didn't need it. My home is powered by solar. You look at those old popular science magazines and one day in the future you'd have solar panels, and that seems so futuristic and pie in the sky, and it's here, it's now, it works. We have everything that you would expect to find in a modern home. TV, lights, kitchen gadgets, computers, cell phones, washing machine, refrigerator, freezer. All of this is powered by these solar panels. It's amazing, really. Calling Sunfind Solar and talking to Caleb has been one of the best decisions in my entire life, without a doubt.